Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another video about object to path. And I'm going to close down this Docker and just go to object to path. Pretty cool, pretty neat. The only thing you need to really remember is hold down your shift key. These are individual light bulbs that I got off the internet. But just select them all. They don't have to be a group. Select them all. Hold down the shift key and select your path. I've got 2 copies. I'm going to group them all together. I'm going to use uniform spacing from selected order. Follow the path and hit apply. And how cool is that? Now, I do not understand why it left 4 light bulbs up here. It actually started with the red in the order I had, and then it made 2 reds and an orange. So I guess we could try a couple of different scenarios here and move these over here. And let me just delete one of the red ones. And let's not even put them together. Hold down the shift key or put them closely together and hit apply. Now it's just got a red there and a red there. Now, for some reason it left a blue and a green, maybe for the future. Well, look, it only used 1 yellow, 1 green, and 1 blue. So maybe if we make 3 copies, and let's see what happens. And you notice I have my origin on the top, so it'll put on basically the way you're looking at it. This is your top, this is your bottom. Now that time, if you look, I didn't hit the shift key to select my path. Don't really understand why it's doing that, but it's cool regardless because you can get rid of that. I don't know. Anyway, that's a pretty cool feature. I'm pretty sure it started in 2018. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.